If you guys seen my video on stoves, you know I got over a dozen different camping stoves ranging from like $6 up to a couple $100. And of all the stoves, this is the one that I like the most and recommend. It's the BRS titanium stove. This one here is direct from China, so all the writing's in Chinese, but it's the exact same stove as the one on Amazon. And this is a stove I've used quite a bit now, and I like it quite a bit, and it's only about $15 with shipping, so it's pretty cheap. But I like this better than the MSR Pocket Rocket and some of the other stoves. And it's really light. Doesn't weigh very much at all. Anyways, this is the BRS titanium stove, and this is the stove that I like the best. So give it a try. Thanks.